Hello, in this video we're going to learn about adding polynomials. So up here we have 4x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 3. So here are our two polynomials. Here on the right side I have some algebra tiles that are going to help us out in solving this problem. So to get 4x squared, I'm just going to pull 4 of the x squared algebra tiles out, and then plus 3x means I got 3 of these. And then plus 2 means I have 2 of these. There we go. So on the right side I have 2x squared. Whoops, that's an x cubed. We don't want that. Let's get rid of this one. So we have 2x squared, and we have 2x, and we have 3. What's nice about the algebra tiles, it makes it really obvious what things can be combined by addition and what things cannot. It's pretty obvious that this x and this x squared can't be combined because they're not the same thing. So when you add them together, you're not going to get 2x squared x because they're just not the same thing. So we can combine all the x squareds. Oops, not turn them, but combine them. So we have 6x squareds. Move these up a tad. And we have 3, 4, 5 x's, and then we have 5 1's. So the answer to our problem is going to be 6x squared plus 5x plus 5. Now let's try another one. So this is a pretty similar problem, except it has a different variable, so it has a squared. So does that mean we're going to use a whole different setup of blocks? No, it doesn't. We can use an x squared block for an a. The only time that becomes confusing is when there's more than one variable in a problem. Just be aware that although the blocks say x on them, we're actually using them for a's in this problem. So again, we have 2a squared, we have 3a, and then we have 4 1's. There we go. Oops, that didn't work out as fast as I would have liked. Okay, 4 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 3a squared, 2, 3, 3 x's, 2, 3, and 2 2's, or 2 1's, sorry. And when we want to combine them together, we can put all the x squareds together. So we got 5 of those, we've got 6 x's, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1's. So the answer to the problem is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x squared plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty easy when doing it with algebra tiles. Let's try another. So here we have 2x cubed, so we have some x cubes in this one, plus 2x plus 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to add another x cubed. Now it doesn't tell us how many in front of here, so when there's no number in front of there, we automatically assume it's just one of them. So that's why I'm going to bring out 1x cubed here, and plus 2x plus 2. Okay, now combining like terms, we have 3 of these, we have 4 of these, and we have 5 of these. So it's going to be 3x cubed plus 4x plus 5 is our final answer. Okay, this problem is slightly different in that there's some negative values. Now, we don't have algebra tiles that have different colors to show negativity or anything like that, and so to deal with that problem, we can just put any negative values in the negative box. So for instance, again, this says y, but we're going to use x, so we have x 4y squared, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have negative 5y, so we're going to put these in the negative area. So we have 5 of these that are negative, and then plus 3. So bam, bam, and bam. And then we have negative 2y squared. So those are going to go in the negative area. And then plus 2y, so that's positive. So those are going to go up here. And plus 1. Well, so to deal with this, to combine like terms that are positive and negative, we actually subtract them out. So when we combine a positive and a negative x squared, they just go away. And we're going to combine another positive x squared and a negative x squared, and it's going to go away. Same thing with the x's. We have a positive x, right? A positive x and a negative x, and they're going to go away. And same thing, positive x, negative x. Let's get rid of them, leaving us with positive 2x squared. These three x's are in the negative area, so negative 3x or minus 3x. Same thing, you'll notice. And then we have positive 4, and so plus 4. All right. And let's do one last problem here. So now in this problem, I've set it up so that it would be a big hassle to use algebra tiles because we don't really want to pull out 25 of those and 30 of those and 13 of those. But it's helpful to remember what happened with the algebra tiles so that we can solve one of these without them. So we have 25x squared and a negative 20x squared. So to add those together, remember the negative ones canceled out the positive ones. And so if 20 negative ones cancel out 20 positive ones, we're left with 5 positive ones. So it's 25 minus 20. Simple. Then we have negative 30 minus, remember when there's no number, it's just one of them. So negative 30 minus 1 is negative 31x. And then we have 13 and 5, which we know is 18. All right, and that's going to be it for this lesson. Thanks for watching.